not collinear. The two planes themselves are not coplanar because they intersect, that they are not the same plane. So, and this is a great website you can go to see this picture and watch the two interact with each other, the two planes. So we're going to look at a couple of examples here. We're going to write all the symbols that could be used to denote each picture. So this is a line segment. So on the line segment, we can't really do a line or a ray, but we can write GE and GE with the line segment notation. For FH, we do have the ray notation, FH. No other ray notation could be used, but we do have a line segment FH, which could also be written as line segment HF. On our line, now lines, you have lots of notation, so we can write TP for our line, or PT for our line. We also have line segment TP and line segment PT. And we have ray TP and ray PT, where the ray starts with T or the ray starts with P. For number 4, we're going to write two ways to denote each picture. So, and we want to go with what it looks like the picture is looking like. So if it looks like a ray, you work with the ray notation instead of everything that is on there. So here we could have line segments as well as a ray, but we're just going to work with ray. So this could be ray TX or ray TV. Those are the only ones that are possible. And the next one we could have ray JK or JL. So for array, those are the only ones possible. Again, remember that the point that's your endpoint has to be the first letter, and then the arrow always has to point to the right for arrays. And then this is line AC or line CA. Notice that my notation is very specific. Okay, so we're going to go back to this picture with the plane. We're going to find 3 points that are not collinear. So 3 points that are not collinear. And there's several examples. I'm going to use K, M, and N. Because they are not on the same line. Now, any 2 points will always be on the same line, but once you throw in the third, that's when you get not collinear. 3 points that are collinear, I'm going to go with K, M, O. How many lines can be drawn through both points K and L? So right here, K and L. How many lines? Well, that's the property we learned about with lines, and that is that exactly one line can be drawn through any 2 points. Exactly one line can be drawn through any 2 points. Name all groups of 3 coplanar points. Well, we have a lot of examples of 3 coplanar points if we look at the parallelograms. Well, let's just look at these over here. So N, M, and K are coplanar because anytime you have 3 non-collinear points, which we already pointed out up here, they're going to be coplanar. O, M, N are also coplanar. Now, I want you to notice that K, M, N are not on the yellow plane or the blue plane, but there will be a plane they go through. Same thing with O, M, N. And we'll move on from there. So that's it for points, lines, and